After removing the cap from the tube adapter cable plug, the cable plug has to be stowed thoroughly inside the tube adapter. Coil the protruding cable and push it gently into the tube adapter. Do not kink the cable or try to stuff it in with a screwdriver or other tool. The plug should protrude completely beyond the cut edge and can easily be connected to the plug from the knee joint. Push the connected plugs very gently into the tube adapter. Pay attention that the plugs do not protrude above the cut edge and that the cable is not pushed out at the distal end of the tube adapter. Insert the tube adapter with the scale in the interior direction into the knee joint until the desired length. The tube adapter has to be inserted at least 40 mm into the knee joint.